This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Properly presenting research findings is essential to determining the success of the research. There are several methods of presenting research findings. All the methods are tailored to take care of the interests of the audience. Experts use the same techniques when preparing research manuscripts to be published in a peer journal or for a grant proposal. Nevertheless, they may incorporate distinctive features in each case. For example, when presenting findings to stakeholders on the success of a health intervention program, they may be required to adequately cover specific health themes. Health professionals ought to present their findings properly to communicate clearly to the audience. There are 3 key points that the presenters need to note whenever writing to persuade the audience. Firstly, he/she should understand the audience. Different audiences require different levels of presentation formality. When addressing clients, for example, the presentation ought to be more formal than when engaging the internal control system of an organization. Notably, top managements need a concise synopsis. Designers and vision implementers need to understand finer details. Knowing the participants by name also makes the presentation real. Whenever an expert reporter responds to questions from the audience by mentioning the correct names of the participants, the presentation becomes highly sensible and explicable. Subsequently, appropriate timing for releasing reports is of the essence. Timing does not only determine the content of the report but also its formality. When carrying out more exploratory research and having no strict time limits, for example, one should mind performing detailed scrutiny and presenting the information in the best format possible. On the other hand, when conducting minor usability tastings during the research period, it is appropriate to present informal records of the findings and include design changes the team intends to make. Next, the presenters should conclude by guiding the audience on the next course of action. Some audiences become weighed down when they see lists of problems and recommendations. They then wonder what to do next. It is appropriate to guide them in starting the journey of implementing the recommendations. The 3 considerations are vital for creating an effective manuscript. Inadequate incorporation of the features translates into a lack of research success. However, understanding the audience is the most important consideration. When one distinctly understands the culture, faith, beliefs, and aspirations of his/her audiences, the chances of miscommunication are negligible. Proper communication is an effective tool for building the spirit of teamwork among stakeholders. Indeed, experience is the best teacher. Experience has taught me that understanding the audience is highly helpful in assisting experts in developing valuable research manuscripts. Recently, I had an opportunity to visit one institution of higher learning and deliver findings on several students' healthcare concerns. Before delivering the reports, I met the students and familiarized myself with them. I encountered limited difficulties when responding to questions from the students. I could respond to their specific concerns easily, identify them, and call them by their names. The health topic was also relevant. We got an opportunity to investigate the document further and gather more information. Therefore, understanding the group helped us to meet great goals. A high-quality research finding can lose value when presented inappropriately. Following the 3 guidelines can help significantly in communicating the findings and recommendations unmistakably. Healthcare professionals benefit from the presentation techniques just as other groups do. This essay on how to present research findings was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one, on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for, free of charge.